Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tutorial. Today, we're going to take your Android 15 device to the next level with the Infinity X Launcher Magisk module. This powerful module unlocks a world of customization possibilities, allowing you to tailor your device's look and feel to your exact preferences. Before we dive into the installation process, let's explore the key features that make Infinity X Launcher a standout choice. From icon packs to gesture controls, themes to app drawer layouts, Infinity X Launcher offers a vast array of options to personalize your device. Experience smoother app launches, faster multitasking, and overall improved system responsiveness. The download link for the latest version of the Infinity X Launcher Magisk module can be found in the video description. Open the Magisk Manager app on your device. Tap on the Modules tab to access the Module Management section. Tap on the plus button to initiate the module installation process. Locate the downloaded module file and select it. Tap on the Flash button to initiate the module installation process. Once the module is flashed, reboot your device to apply the changes. After your device reboots, you'll be greeted by the sleek interface of Infinity X Launcher. By following these steps and leveraging the power of Infinity X Launcher, you can transform your Android 15 device into a personalized masterpiece. Remember to experiment with different settings and configurations to create a truly unique user experience. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!